Have you ever wondered why some teams thrive while others struggle? It all comes down to diversity. Just like indigenous peoples cultivated the three sisters for better yields, we can reap greater benefits through diverse teams. Diversity drives innovation, enhances problem solving, and reflects our varied customer base. Companies that embrace diverse hiring gain fresh perspectives and richer creativity, setting themselves apart in today's market. Imagine a support team built on unique skills and backgrounds, responding more effectively to customer needs. Don't settle for the easy route with culture fit. Cultivate a garden of varied talent. Let's nourish our teams and watch them flourish together. Join the movement for better customer experiences. Hire diversely today.